You just made 2 bad commits. Code is broken, tests are failing. You need to go back. But how far? And do you want to keep your changes? That's where Git Reset comes in. Git Reset lets you move head backward in history. It's like an undo, but way more powerful. And depending on the mode, it decides what happens to your files. Git Reset has 3 modes: soft, mixed, hard. Pick the wrong one, and your work is gone. Let's see exactly what each does. Step 1. We have 2 bad commits, D and E, sitting at the top of our history. We need to go back to C. Step 2. Git Reset soft. Head moves back to C, but D and E, their changes are still here, sitting in your staging area, ready to commit. Nothing lost. Step 3. Git Reset mix. Same thing. Head moves back to C, but now the changes are unstaged. They're in your working directory, Akshinya. You can see them, edit them, but they're not staged yet. Step 4. Git Reset hard. This is the nuclear option. Head moves back, staging is cleared, working directory is wiped, D and E are completely gone. No recovery, unless you know Git Reflog. That's it. 3 modes, 3 different outcomes. Git Reset. Don't blow away your whole branch, just move head to where you need it. Soft. Keeps your changes staged. Mixed. Keeps them in your working directory. Hard. Wipes everything. Now you know which mode to use. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit subscribe for more.